On today's video, we're going to replace this leaking Delta Shower Cartridge. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we have to do is remove the handle. There's a set screw back here in the back. So Corey is going to assist us on this project. First thing you do is remove the set screw. So 1/8 Allen.
There we go.
And then the handle should come straight out. We got lucky on this one. Some of them ain't as easy. Remove your cover over your cartridge. Next, we're going to have to remove the escutcheon. There's 2 long Phillips screws. Go ahead and get those out. And then we have to shut the water off. We shut them off right here at the stopper valve. If the stopper valve ain't working, and you have to shut off your main. So make sure you shut the water off. Next thing, remove the retainer nut right here over your cartridge. That's the only thing holding the cartridge in.
Don't squirt that.
Remove that. Then your cartridge should come straight out. This one's a little stubborn, so we're going to go ahead and use a screwdriver, try to get it out, but this cartridge should come straight out.
Want to make sure it's stopped though.
There it is there.
What side is hot and cold? What side is it hot?
It's on the front of the white. I don't know.
All that maneuvering.
Now check out your valve body, make sure it's clean, that there's no pieces of O-ring in there or anything. Here's our new valve. We got this one from HD Supply. Now our cartridge has a hot side and a cold side. Just put it back the same way you removed the old one.
So you're gonna put the hot side on this side.
Okay, you just slide it in. There's some little grooves right there.
There
Go straight in. Like that.
Okay.
Now just put everything back in reverse order from the way we removed everything.
Nice and snug.
Now here's your chance to remove your cartridge and flip it over if you're hot and cold or reversed. What size is that set screw? Yeah. By the time to get up here.
Yeah, by the time they...
Yeah.
Is it?
No more left door.
Slowing down.
No leaks.
No leaks.
There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.